Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream last longer. We'll start by ensuring your ingredients are super cold. Use very cold, heavy cream, a chilled mixing bowl, and cold beaters. This helps achieve maximum volume and a stable structure. Whip your cream on medium-high speed until it forms soft, billowy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your beautiful cream grainy. To significantly extend its shelf life, consider adding a stabilizer. For every 1 cup of heavy cream, you can add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, which also sweetens it. Alternatively, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or unflavored gelatin works wonders. If using gelatin, dissolve 1/2 teaspoon in 2 tablespoons of cold water, let it bloom, then gently warm it until clear. Cool it slightly and slowly drizzle it into your whipping cream. Proper storage is key to keeping your whipped cream fresh. Transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the coldest section of your refrigerator. To prevent a dry skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the cream. With these methods, your stabilized whipped cream should remain delightful for about 2 to 3 days, ready for your next dessert. Here are a few extra tips for maximum longevity. If your whipped cream deflates a little, a quick re-whip on low speed for a few seconds can often bring it back to life. Try to avoid adding acidic ingredients, such as lemon juice, directly into the cream before whipping, as this can cause it to curdle. For even longer storage, you can freeze stabilized whipped cream in dollops on a baking sheet, then transfer them to a freezer bag.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.